monarch butterfly.
Best is in the Google, whatever you wish to, you just write. They will pick up the keyword.
Second stage, larva, caterpillar. Third one, pupa, specialist, and then adult.
Whenever we post anything, we have to.
इसका लोग यहाँ ये ऑल ये रिप्स के भी
Yes, you can tap on it. Working of hand. Yes.
The best part is Sabashi part?
Yes.
Apart from joke, the best part is the hot and cold experiment, which is easily, yes, it is very easily demonstrated to the students also.
Activities I like that most, and definitely as a teacher I will try to have like this, and I will give a good environment to the student.
Okay, thank you. And send one, I will send you whatever money along with courier charge, because these are rarity. छोटा मोटा गरीब आदमी बनाते हैं और 10-20 रुपये में दे देते हैं, लेकिन और कोई बना नहीं सकता. It's so difficult. So we should learn from them, or someday we will call them and here as a demonstration.
Definitely I see anything in anywhere, I will send you the video.
So this video promise कर रहे हैं आपको कैलकाटा के आसपास मिलता है, next मिलेगा आपको.
Thank you so much, sir.
Today we have learned so many activities, and we all know that science is all about experiments, but for preparatory stage, how we can construct these TLMs and how we can easily construct it. It is very cost effective and the methods were very nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We will try to include all these activities during our classes. Thank you.
But actually today I have learned, or we have learned what is experiential learning actually. That's the most important part. For today's sub, yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks for that.
Campus. The training was just a mesmerizing experience throughout. You know, if I talk particularly about science, it's indeed been a great experience with you, sir, of different activities, and basically what I prefer in my science class as well, that is hands-on activities, learning by doing. So thank you, thanks a lot.
So the whole training, the whole session was excellent with lots of activities and fun and engagement. basically students need activity based learning by doing method. They understand much better if we conduct this kind of activities in the class. So
But seriously, we enjoyed the class. Thank you so much, sir. For all
If we teach with a method from the sir has taught us today, I think children will leave the sports class, but they will not leave the science class.